Here's another useful quick tip that can be quite helpful when working with sophisticated formulas in Excel. At times, you will need to use nested functions that are a bit longer and take some space within the formula bar. The function you see here is a good example of such a situation. At the moment, I can't see the entire function because it is too long and doesn't fit within the formula bar. Well, there is a very simple solution to that. The formula bar can be expanded by clicking on this tiny arrow on the right. You can drag its lower border down if you would like to extend it even more. To get it back to its previous dimensions, either drag it back or close it by pressing the tiny arrow again. This is how you can enlarge the formula bar to be sure that you see the entire function you are working with. I promised this would be a quick one. Thanks for watching.